Hi everyone. Today we will show you how to add a Canva video to your PowerPoint presentation to make your slides more engaging and dynamic. On your Canva dashboard, let's say this is the video you want to use. We will start by downloading it. To do that, click the Share button in the upper right corner and then go to the Download options. Make sure to select the MP4 file type to keep the video quality high. Then, click the Download button. The file will start downloading. Just give it a moment to finish. Once it is done, the video will be saved in your files. Now, let's open PowerPoint. In your presentation, click Insert at the top. From there, scroll to the last option and you will see the Video option. Click on it and then select Video from File. Now find and select the video you want to add, and then click to insert it into your slide. One thing to note, if you see a QuickTime Player error, it means the plugin is not up to date. You can still insert the video file, but to make sure everything works smoothly, we recommend updating Apple QuickTime so it works properly with PowerPoint. And that's how we add a Canva video to a PowerPoint presentation in just a few easy steps. Your slides will now be more interactive and visually appealing.